Good day, everyone. Good day, sir. This subject is Object-Oriented Programming in IT 26A. Let's welcome Miles Biga Ubalang, a PSIT second-year student, and submitted to Mr. Roland Justin Impartos, my instructor this fall semester. So this is the table of contents that I will be discussing right now, which is bitwise operator and logical operator. So the objectives, after completion of this chapter, you'll be able to understand the bitwise operator and or understand the logical operator and or not. So what is bitwise operator? Java defines several bitwise operators which can be applied to the integer types long, int, short, type, char, and byte. Bitwise operator works on bits and performs bit-by-bit operation. Assume if A equals 50 and B equals 17. Now, in binary format, it will be as follows. So this is the bitwise and this is the symbols. So binary AND operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operands. For example, A and B, which is A equals 50 and B equals 17, will give 16, which is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So I have example here for bitwise AND. A equals 50, B equals 17, so C. So this is the binary. 1 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 1 equals 0, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0 plus 0 equals 0. So this is the binary result of A equals 50. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And the second one is B equals 17. So this is the binary result. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So if we total these two binary result of A and B, so 0 plus 1 equals 0, 1 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0 equals 0. So this is the result. This is the binary result of both. So 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the decimal result of binary result, which is 16. So 50 plus 17 is equals to 16. So I have a code here, public class bitwise AND, which is bitwise AND is our class names. So our main method, public static void mean string args, and I'm using the data types of int. A variable equals to our value, which is 50. Same with B, our value is 17, and we need a result so that we can get the result of these two value, and we need to print the result of bitwise AND plus result, also the binary result of integer to binary string result. So after that, we need to see the output. So this is the output. Result of bitwise AND is 16. So 16, that's correct. And binary result 0 0 0 0 1. So as you can see here, it's also correct. So let's proceed to. So this is the symbols of bitwise OR. Binary or operator copies a bit if it exists in either operand. For example, A or B, which is 50 or 17, will give 51, which is 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1. So I have also an example for bitwise or example. So here, bitwise or example, A is equals to 50 and B is equals to 17. So Same with and I have also here 1 plus 0 equals 1, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. So this is the binary result of A is equals to 50, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and the second one is B is equals to 17. This is the binary result 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So if we plus these two binary result, so this is the whole result of this. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and our decimal result is 51. So 50 or 17 is equals to 51. So I have also a code here. Also, Bitwise or is our class names and our main method. Public static void mean string args. The data types that I am using is int. A is a variable and 50 is our value. Also with B is equals to 17. Int result A or B. We need to print the result of bitwise or. Also the binary result of integer to binary string result. So let's see what is the output. So here, result of bitwise or is 51. So as you can see, it's correct. And the binary result is 110011. Also here is also correct. So let's proceed to logical operators. The following table lists the logical operators. Assume Boolean. Assume Boolean variables A holds true and variable B holds false. Then the operator. This is the symbols of logical AND. Called logical AND operator. If both operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. For example, A and B is false. I have an example of logical AND. Here, A equals 50 and B is equals to 17. As you can see here, if A is equal to B, it will print true. If not, it will print false. So I have a code here. Our class names is logical and our main method, public static void main string arg, string args, int. Our data types is int. A is a variable and our value is 50. Same with B. If A is equal to B, it will print true. If not, it will print false. So let's see what is the output. So it's a false because A is not equal to B. So let's proceed to logical OR. This is the symbol of logical OR, as you can see here, and called logical OR operator. If any of two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. So A or B is true. So I have also an example for logical OR. So let's see. Logical OR, same with AND. A is equals to 50. A is equals to 50 and B is equals to 17. So the flowchart, A is equals 50 and B is equals to 17. So A is greater than B, it will print true. If not, it will print false. So public class logical or is our class names and our main methods. Also public static void main string args. So same with AND 50, 17. If A is greater than B, it will print true. If else, it will print false. So let's see what is the output. The output is true because A is greater than B. So lastly is logical NOT. This is the symbols of logical NOT. Called logical NOT operator used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If a condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make false. So NOT A and B is true. So I have also an example for logical NOT. Same with OR. A is equals to 50 and B is equals to 17. So A is not equal to B. So it will print true. If not, it will print false. So Bitwise and is our class names and this is our main methods. Also with OR, int is our data types and A is our variables and 50 is our value and same with B. So if A is not equal to B, it will print true. If not, it will print false. So let's see what is the output. So the output is true. Why? Because A is not equal to B. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you sir for listening.